What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Freedom Renovations. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Thank you so much for tuning into video number 2 of the Abandoned Farmhouse series. We are officially 3 weeks into this project, and we have made so much progress, guys. I'm so excited to share an update with you guys. If you have not already subscribed to this series, make sure you stop right now, smash that subscribe button, because you are not going to want to miss out on the final reveal. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get around and show you an update. Alrighty, guys, so here we are at the new updated front of the home. As you'll remember before, there was an 8-foot chicken fence. We went ahead and knocked that down, brought it down to 4 feet, and put this beautiful little farm fence up. You have your own private driveway through these lush trees. We still need to paint this side to match the right. We went ahead and trimmed up a bunch of the trees, completely cleared the yard, leveled it out, took all the trash. We've completely repaired all the fences. As you can see, this beautiful fence on this side has been repaired. You have this stamped driveway that we uncovered, was completely covered with trash and dirt. Now there is a little parking area over here where my pickup's at. All of the trash has been cleaned up. The yard has been plowed. Took up all the old grass. We're gonna put some seed down and just water the heck out of this place and get it looking green and beautiful. We trimmed up all the trees so you could walk underneath them. Left them pretty long though, so that it's lush and beautiful, creates lots of shade. You'll notice that brand new beautiful black roof. It used to be brown. There's still lots to do here, guys. We're still gonna paint this place white, completely finish the roof over the garage. That's getting done this weekend. We're putting beams, 6x6 beams on that porch, so we'll be removing the wrought iron, putting wood Douglas fir beams, and we're gonna stain them, paint this entire place white. We have made some major progress, guys. I'm gonna take you guys inside and show you what's going on in here. As you can see, it's completely covered with tape and plastic. We have been texturing and patching all the walls. As you'll remember, there was horrible, disgusting carpet in here. We have went ahead and added in lights. There was no overhead lights in this place. As you can see, the holes are there. Everything is completely taped and plasticed off. The texture guy has been here all week, getting everything done. The place does not smell anymore. It has a clean, new construction smell. There used to be a wall furnace here. We went ahead and removed that. We're putting a full HVAC system in, so that is still getting patched up. Come into the dining room. We went ahead and removed the stair rail, removed all the flooring. We're retexturing all the walls. We're gonna put a beautiful chandelier here. We went ahead and moved the light over here and put the can right in the middle of the hallway. Come through here. You'll remember this disgusting kitchen. We went ahead and removed everything completely, took out every cabinet, and just completely cleared it. Redid the sheetrock. We're retexturing. You'll notice on the ceiling, there's 6 can lights going in. It's gonna make this place look modern and new. We're gonna put all new white cabinets, quartz countertops, brand new stainless appliances, shiplap, backsplash all around. We have a really neat idea for this back wall. This is gonna have a little breakfast bar, coffee bar, with new quartz countertops and 2 floating shelves. It's gonna be beautiful, guys. All the plumbing and electrical has been redone. We did all new PEX lines. It's gonna be a brand new house. You can see down here, we cut out the subfloor to run all the new pegs. This used to be the spider room. It is now going to be a nice laundry room. We went ahead, tore out all the flooring. We've completely cleaned it, retextured everything. Like I said, they are still working on the texture, but you'll notice on the ceiling, we put 3 can lights in. Just gonna really make it feel new. Ran all new water lines. You have brand new lines coming out of the wall. Lots of patchwork going on. Texture is still pretty rough. He said he needs about 2 more sprays to make this place look beautiful again. And then we will move on to paint and all the fun stuff. I cannot wait to start finishing this place up. Start putting the finishes in here. So as you leave there, come on through here. You remember the main floor bathroom? We have gone ahead and tore everything out of there, completely cleared it out, fixed the walls, tore out the old shower insert that was in there, had a cast iron tub and a bunch of hideous tile. We tore all of that out. This is gonna be a stand-up walk-in shower with a beautiful glass door. We redid all the plumbing, all the fixtures are already there, ready to rock. This is gonna have a separate handle for a wand and a big rain head on the top. Can't wait for that to come to life. But everything is opened up, even the floor, to run all new drains. Toilet has a brand new drain. We're gonna put a cool, nice little farmhouse light right there. This place is really gonna look awesome. Not much to see in the bottom story bedrooms. Everything has been cleared out. Texture is going on the walls. Floors are gone. We removed the whiteboard, all the furniture, but everything is just taped off and plasticed. So not much to see of an update, but not dirty, not gross. This wall that used to have horrible patchwork on it is being refinished. Come into the master. Everything looks about the same as the other bedroom. It's completely just gutted. No lights, no floor. Everything is just taped for texture. We'll come on out here. We'll head upstairs. Upstairs, not much has been done besides tearing everything out. These stairs have been completely torn out. You're gonna have beautiful laminate flooring going all the way up with white risers. There's no carpet anymore up here. It does not smell, which is great. We went ahead and gutted this entire bathroom. It'll have a new vanity, new toilet, and a brand new stand-up shower. We went ahead and put a can light above the shower to give it lots of new light. Shower has all brand new fittings, brand new plumbing. It'll have a rain head over the top and a nice black handle. It's gonna be a beautiful place, guys. It is all coming together. Like I said, not much in these rooms besides tearing everything out and doing patchwork. So let's head downstairs and show you guys the backyard. That is where a major transformation is going on. Today, the pool is being retiled. Luckily, when we drained the pool, it was in great shape. It was just disgusting, completely full of mud and lots of debris. So if you'll remember, as you go out this door, you used to run into bushes. We have completely cleared all the bushes, taken the pergola off, and cleaned this entire place up. This is all beautiful stamped concrete that was completely covered with mud. We have gone ahead and fixed all of the fences. Completely uncovered this area that wasn't even visible before. You'll notice that beautiful new roof. Still not completely done. They have the ridges to finish, the vents, and the garage. Lots of dry rot repair gonna go on this week, completely resheeting this entire garage. But we went ahead and fixed all these fences, cleared all the ground, and really uncovered a gem. This backyard is actually beautiful. It's gonna be great when it's done. Like I said, new tile coming today. There'll be black bark, new greenery. They're gonna completely break out this concrete round area right here where it has sunken. They're gonna re-pour it, re-stamp it. It'll have brand new concrete. The pool is pretty dirty still, but structurally it's in really good shape. Once they do all the tile work, we'll come in and completely finish cleaning it and bring it back to life. Come over here, there used to be a chicken run with a chain link fence. We have completely tore that out. Looking at the back of the house, it still needs to be painted and some dry rot repairs, but just completely looks different already, guys. I repaired all the fences on the right-hand side as well. Put in a new gate here that gives you access to the back of your lot. You'll remember this chicken coop. Painted it white and brought it back to life. It is actually a really cute chicken coop, guys. I think the future homeowner is gonna really love having it. I've enjoyed watching the little baby chickens run through here. I painted it white so it will match the home. Give it black handles and just really brightened it up and made it cute. You got your little egg retrieval area here. Just a cute place for this farmhouse. All the fences, like I said, have been repaired. There's lots of trash over here still from all the construction that needs to be removed. We're doing dry rot repairs on this side of the home, so it's completely open, but really coming back. Like I said, we're 3 weeks into this project, guys, and if you saw the previous video, you know how far this place has come. Really bringing it back to life. So if you haven't already, like I said, make sure you smash that subscribe button. You are not going to want to miss out on all the progress that we make in the next few weeks. I'll make sure to drop another video and give you guys an update. I know everybody wants to see what's going on, so I will keep you guys in the loop, show you all the updates. This week is going to be a big one. They're going to finish texturing. Paint should be here by next week. I don't think I've ever showed you guys the inside of this little garage. We're going to put all new windows on this garage, paint it black. It's going to really brighten this place up. This is cute. One-car garage. We have some 2x4 repair to do, but the ceiling has all been replaced, all brand new. Just a really great little storage space or a place to park one car. But that's about it, guys. That's the update. We're 3 weeks in, and I can't wait to show you guys the final product. Chickens are out here roaming, just enjoying, talking to you guys, saying hello. So hope you guys have a blessed day. As always, we'll see you next time.